All right, now we're going to talk about adding and subtracting real numbers. Now this is going to include, positive and negatives. Now, you know, when we were younger and we were first learning how to add and subtract, we learned that there was such a thing as subtraction, taking something away. But technically, there really isn't. All we have are positive and negative numbers, and then we combine them. Now, I know that that sounds really crazy, but let's kind of ease into this so that we can see what I'm talking about here. Okay, first of all, let's just look at add and subtract, just the plain way that we know how. Okay, but we're going to use a number line as we're doing it. Okay, we know that 5 plus 3 is 8. And we also know that 5 minus 3 is 2. That's a given. We understand that. But let's look at it in terms of a number line. This 5 plus 3 is 8. What that means is we're starting here at the 5, and then we're going 3 places to the right. That's what it means to add 3. And we end up on 8. Okay, well, the 5 minus 3, what that means is we start here at 5 and we go backwards 3 units so that we end up on the 2. Now, this is what we're going to do really when we combine numbers. If we're talking about a positive number, just like on the number line itself, positive moves to the right, things get larger. Negative, things move to the left. That's why we've sort of thought about it as subtraction in the past, even though it really isn't. You're just technically combining positive and negative numbers. Okay, let's take this same idea of positive moving to the right, negative moving to the left, and let's see if we can figure out what's going on if we just have positive and negative numbers. Okay, here we have a problem that says negative 5 plus 3. Okay, so if I look at the number line, that tells me that I'm going to start here at negative 5, and I'm going to move in the positive direction 3 units. So 1, 2, 3. That would put me right here at a negative 2. Now, this is true, and if you think about it, think about money. If you're short $5 and somebody gives you $3, well, now you're only short $2. So you can think of it as money too, if that helps. Okay, what about negative 5 plus 3? I'm sorry, negative 3 plus 5. Oops, got ahead of myself there. If we're starting here at negative 3, which is right here, and we're moving in the positive direction 5 units, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units, we would be right here at a positive 2. And again, you can think about it as money also. If you're short $3 and somebody gives you $5, well, now you've made up for that shortage, plus you have $2 extra. Okay, that's really and truly all there is to combining positive and negative numbers. What we used to think of as subtraction is really just a negative number. But now the problem comes in whenever our numbers get much bigger and it's harder to use a number line. So in the next video, we're going to explore using rules to combine positive and negative numbers.